Hello guys, I want to show you how you can create Rico animation characters and animate them on your smartphone. I'll be making this animation without having to draw anything because I have an application that helps me generate character images for my animations, and I'll be revealing that in this tutorial. Before I proceed, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please click on the subscribe button below and also the bell icon beside it so you get notified once I upload a new video on this channel. The first thing we have to do is to download the images we'll be needing for the animation we are about to make from our character builder app. I just downloaded my character image, background, and the character mouth drawing. So if you're interested in getting the character builder app, you can request for it through my Telegram channel. And if you also want a more detailed tutorial on how to make a professional animation video on your smartphone, you can get the video through my Telegram channel. So I'll be leaving the link to my Telegram channel in the description of this video, where you'll be able to contact me on WhatsApp. So moving on, let's go to flipaclip app to make our animation video. We'll be creating a new project for this animation we are about to make. So click on this plus icon here. On this page, we'll have to type a name for this project and also set a video canvas size. I'll be using Rico Animations tutorial as my project name. Then for the canvas size, select YouTube 1080p. Then come back and click on create project. Our new project has been created. Now it's time for us to add a background. Click on these three dots that is at the top right corner of our screen. Then click on add image. Then we'll be brought over to our phone file manager, where we'll be allowed to select the image we want to add to our project. Select your background image. Then position it properly to fit your screen. The next thing we are going to do is to add the image of our character to this project. We'll be doing this on a separate layer. So click on the layer icon here. Then click on this plus icon that is at the bottom to add a new layer to this project. Click on these three dots again and click on add image. Select the image of the character you want to use. Then position it well to fit your screen. Now let's add our character mouth drawing to our project. Click on the layer icon again. Then click on here to add another layer. On this layer we just added, we'll be adding our character's lips drawing, which will enable us make our character to talk. Click on these three dots here. Then click on add image. Select the image of your character's mouth drawing. Then position it carefully to fit the size of your character's mouth or your character's lips. Once you've gotten the actual size of your character's lips, then move it to one corner of your screen. Now let's add our character's voice to this project. Click on this audio icon here. Then click on this plus icon. Then click on add audio. Select the audio you want to use for your animation. This is the audio I just selected. You can hold on this area to crop your audio. So just hold on these and move it slowly towards the left direction of your screen. Once you're done with that, click on this play button to preview the audio you just added. Hello guys, I want to show you how you can create Rico animation characters and animate them on your smartphone. Once you are okay with it, click on this mark icon here to save the audio to your project. On this page, we have to follow the instruction displayed on our screen. So hold on the audio timeline, then position it on any of the tracks that are here. Now that we have added our audio to our project, let's go back to our main animation page. Click here to go back. It's time to make use of our character's lips drawing to make our character talk. But before we do that, we have to fill up these blank frames with the content on the first frame. We can easily do that by copying the content on the first frame and pasting it on other frames on this project. So we do that by clicking on the frame timeline. Then these 4 icons will pop up on our screen. Then click on this copy icon. Once you click on the copy icon, 2 more icons will be added to the 4 icons that was displayed on our screen. Click on this one that is on the right side to paste what we just copied. We are going to be repeating this step till we get to the last frame on this project. Once we are done, then we do the lip syncing of our character. We need to add another layer for the lip syncing. So click on this layer icon. Then click on the plus icon to add the new layer. Now, for we to have a perfect lip syncing, we need to know the exact mouth drawing to use for each sound we hear on every frame. We have to hold on this timeline area. Then we slide it slowly towards the left direction to hear the sound of the audio on each of the frames. We can hear the air sound, so we'll be using the air mouth drawing on this frame. Now come over to the layer area, then come to the layer of our lips drawing. On this layer, we have to cut out this mouth drawing. So click on these lasso tools, then draw around the area of the lips image you want to use. Then click on this copy icon here. Now come back to the layer area, then click on the last layer we just added. Then paste the image. You have to move the lips image to the position of your character's face. Once you have done that, come back to the layer area again. Then click on the layer of the character. Click on this brush icon twice. Then click on this square box here to change the color of our brush to that of our character's skin. We'll be using these eye drop tools to pick the color of our character's skin. Now we have to draw on the character's face to hide the mouth shape on the character's face. This is what we have. We are going to be repeating this step till we get to the frame where we stop hearing any audio sound. Once you are done, we have to hide the lips images from our project. So come over to the layer area. Here is the layer we added the lips images to. So click on this 100% to make the content on this layer to be invisible. Now let's preview what we have done so far. Hello guys, I want to show you how you can create Rico animation characters and animate them on your smartphone. I'll be making this animation. If you're okay with what you have done, then you can proceed to producing your animation video. Click on these 3 dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Make Movie. Then we will be brought over to our project settings page. We have to turn off flipaclip watermark from displaying in our video. So click here to turn it off. Then click on Make Movie. We just have to wait for some few seconds for our animation to be processed and produced as a video. So for those of you who need an advanced tutorial on how to make a good animation video on your smartphone, I have a course on that. All you have to do is to join my Telegram channel through the link in the description of this video. Then you can contact me from there. Hope you got value from this tutorial. Make sure you practice what you've learned. See you in my next video. Thank you.